Hello students, this is part 3 of our Photoshop project and web page design. You can see I finished off from the last step. I have moved my two images in one picture. I have both layers connected. And a couple of things before I want to save and publish this to the web. I want to make sure that I have first saved this as a Photoshop image that is saved as a .psd. It shows it right in here is it's saved as a .psd. The reason why I want to have it saved as a Photoshop image is just in case if I want to edit this later, I have the Photoshop image available to edit. Also, another thing is I want to make sure everything is cropped out and that I have no white space and no transparent background, that I'm using just this image, and it looks like I have that set as well. So now I'm ready to save for the web. So I am going to go to File, Save for Web, and when I click File, Save for Web, I'm presented with a number of different options. First option is I could save it as a PNG 8. And it looks like this is a really high resolution picture. So you can save this as a PNG 8, PNG 24, you could save this as a GIF. I'm going to save mine as a PNG 8. It's going to be a good high resolution image, and it won't take that long to download. So I can click this preview button to see what it looks like in the browser. And this is what the image would look like in the browser. I am happy with the way it looks like that. So I'm going to close out and I'm going to do PNG 8, and I'm going to click the save button right in here. So when I click save, I want to make sure that I'm saving this to my folder that I have everything saving it to. So I'm going to be saving it as that, and I am going to call this I'm going to call this as my image, and I'm going to call it like web, so I know that this is going to be the one that I'm going to use for my Photoshop. This is going to be the image that I'm going to use for my website. So that's why I'm saving it as _web. And I'm going to click save. And I'm going to close out. Do you want to save the Photoshop picture? Sure, yes. And now I see that this is now saved as a PNG. And this will be the image that will be saved on my website. So let me know along the way if you have any questions. Have fun. Take advantage of this great opportunity.